Hey guys, it's Dima from SmartTag, and today we're checking the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag Plus. Let's begin! So first of all, what is the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag Plus? This small and convenient device will help you to keep track of all your important things. Now the SmartTag Plus has also a SmartTag Regular, not Plus. And before we dive into the SmartTag Plus, let's briefly mention the differences between them. One of the main differences between the two is the connectivity range. The SmartTag Plus has a connectivity range of about 200 meters, while the SmartTag Regular, or just SmartTag, will have around 50 meters of connectivity range. This means that the SmartTag Plus is better to find your belongings from farther away. Obviously, the SmartTag Plus costs a little bit more, but it has a few features that might be worth it, including the ability to trigger some actions on your smartphone or in your smart home devices, such as starting your air conditioner, turning on your lights, etc. And a loud ringing feature that will help you find your keys, for example, or whatever you attach the SmartTag Plus to. So if you're someone who misplaces his devices, his things, very often, and you need a device that can assist you find them with a longer range, the SmartTag Plus might be the best choice for you. Now let's move on to the actual review of the SmartTag Plus. First off, let's talk about design. The SmartTag Plus is a small, round device that's about the size of a quarter. It's made of durable plastic and has a hole in it, so you can attach it to a keychain, backpack, any other item you want to keep track of. In addition to its long-range connectivity and long ringing feature, the SmartTag Plus is also easy to use. Simply download the Samsung SmartThings app, pair the SmartTag Plus with your phone, and you're ready to go. The app also allows you to customize the actions that are triggered when you press the button on the SmartTag Plus, giving you even more control over your smartphone devices. Overall, the Samsung SmartTag Plus is a convenient and useful device that can help you keep track of your important items and make your life a little bit easier. If you're someone who frequently loses their keys or misplaces their phone and you need a device with a longer range and a few extra features, the SmartTag Plus is definitely worth considering. That's pretty much about the Samsung SmartTag Plus. Whoa, wait, let's not finish this video like this. Did you notice something a little bit different in this video, I wonder? Well, if you did, something is a little bit different here indeed. And to know what it is, stay tuned, because next week we are going to talk about what actually happened in this video, and I guess we won't do that in future videos, but if you really liked it, though I might be out of my job here, you'll know in the next video.
Thank you for watching this SmartTag episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.